Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change the sound effects on Windows. To start off with, all you need to do is right click in the bottom right hand corner of your screen on the speaker icon and then go to Sounds. Once Sounds is open, this is a list of all the notifications on Windows. For example, here we have critical battery alarm. If I just click on there and press test, that is the noise Windows makes when my battery alarm goes off. But I can actually click on this drop down menu and I can change it to something else. I could choose log off sound if I want. If I now press test, that is the sound it will now make when my battery alarm goes off. If we just scroll through, you have got basically so many options you can change in here, and a lot of stuff, as you can see as well, don't even have sounds. So you can even add sounds to, say, print complete. You could add a sound to question, or let's have a little look at something else. Empty recycle bin doesn't have a sound, and I could simply just add, let's have a look, alarm 01. There we go. That's funky. That is cool. I like that. So let's just find my recycle bin quickly and press apply. If I just drag my recycle bin to my desktop there, and if I now right click and go empty recycle bin, it should play that cool tune. And go yes. There we go. Look at that. That is cool. In fact, I might actually keep that on there. Anyway, it really is as easy as that. And if you want to go back to the old default Windows sounds, you can simply just click Windows Default. But if you want to save your list, you can also press Save As, and then it will add it to this list here. Let's just show you. Let's go Save As, cool. And I can now simply click between all my sound effects. And that is it. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Also, I forgot to mention you can actually add custom sounds as well if you press browse, and then you can select the sound file you would like to play.